Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like. Toward focus with the transmission problem, try to do one step based on the recommendation that we may have to upgrade the transmission and reset it. It may work. You remember yesterday we have a lot of code on it, so I'm going to use the IDS, the dealer tools. I want to go connect it, VCM2, as you see here. Okay, and we're going to wait a little bit for it to come on. Okay, that's the IDS Advanced Integrated Diagnostic Software for Ford, Lincoln, Mercury. We're gonna wait for it till it's become ready and then we take it from there. Stay with us. This is the message. هذا هي الرسالة اللي عندنا، وبناء على الأخ في اليوتيوب قال لي أنا هو بيجوا أشياء كثيرة دي وكانت البرمجة والريست بيصلح المشكلة، فنتمنى انه يصلحها لنا. I hope that this will be fixed by doing the diagnosis and programming. Hopefully it will work. So right now I'm just going into diagnosis mode. Hopefully everything will be okay. Stay with us. This one come back Ford Mountaineer. This is the last car we did it before. I'm gonna close it and I wait for another one to come. Delete the session that I have it. Just okay. I'm gonna delete this one. I will start all over. Okay, now I'm gonna start new session. Okay, and then I will click OK. It's coming down now. I'm trying to communicate with the computer, and my suggestion here is a transmission control module. Try to see if I can update it and synchronize it. It may work. Okay, here is all the information. 2014. We try diagnose, update, upgrade. Okay, I'm gonna click next. I may have to run a complete test for this car the same way before, or I just want to, I will go to diagnose and program. Okay, here is the car. Okay, I'm just gonna go to self-test. On the self-test I will take only transmission. Go to module. On the module I will scroll down. There's a lot of computer here. This is transmission here. Okay, retrieve code. I want to see what's wrong. First to see what's going on, what's wrong. It's coming. And then I will do the programming. Okay. This is a code that we have, you see here. Okay, one of them P0. Do I have this one? Yeah. You say internal control violation random access code, and also control module processor fork, shift fork A position. And if you notice, all of them they have TSB transmission exhibit intermittent concern of lost transmission engagement, seem to include message center service required gear select on instrument column flash, diagnose trouble code. This will be present, stored between and PCM. Follow the service procedure to correct the condition. Okay. Okay, that means they say that you have to reprogram the transmission, if you notice there. So we're gonna go back and I go to gotta go back here, programming, and then module programming. Gonna stay there, yes. Let me turn the key off. So he said, please wait. I'm gonna wait a little bit. I just wanna consider transmission replacement. You're looking for the network. Okay. We are looking for the data. منتظرين في الداتا. It can take some time. Locating necessary file, then click file integrity. Please wait. ببحث عن الفايل وبيشوف جودة الفايل. It's say to turn the key off. Click next. Install a new. Turn the key on. We're gonna update it with the latest software, I believe. It's supposed to start working now. Say ignition on. Something here. You see here? You say gonna be multiple programs. Say yes. Ignition is on. So you're gonna leave it now. TCM programming. I'm gonna program the transmission, erase procedure. I am programming the TCM now. It's gonna be the latest software for sure. هيكون ده آخر السوفتوير. I did not do the engine computer, but it's okay. TCM, latest software, is going to be programmed, downloaded into it. And then if there is any adjustment, I'm going to do that, then see what happened. لو عندك نفس المشاكل من الأفضل تعمل برمجة للكمبيوتر كله وبعدك تشوف شنو اللي حصل. عملنا البرمجة. Programming is done. Ignition off. Ignition on. Calibration check. Okay, after completing module replacement, adaptive learning under function, you have to do this one. Adaptive adaptive learning function must be carried under proper transmission operation. TCM adaptive learning function can be located by select toolbox, powertrain, transmission, TCM learning. Okay, this is the software that we did already. Okay, we're gonna go now to see if we can do the adaptive learning. We update the computer. Okay, under the tools, go to powertrain, transmission, adaptive learning. Let's go here, do this one. Yes. This function allows transmission to learn new parameter after component replacement. Okay. This function will reset the TCM parameter and execute series of TCM this. This function cannot perform as recommended, it will affect. Okay. So we're gonna wait now to do what's gonna happen. We have to do all this adaptive. We're gonna do all this work together. So I'm gonna go with it. It's a lot of job, but you have to do something. DCM adaptive learning. You have like 5, 6 to do. Second. Okay. Okay. It will calibrate. كارث بارك ترانسميشن لازم يكون في البارك. قول له نعم. Okay. What they need. Press button once gear is in park. Okay. This one learn. So we're gonna go to reverse. Okay, let me see here. Good. Now you're gonna put in reverse. Now click learning. Now put it in neutral. It's neutral. Drive. Button low. خلاص tick. Okay. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, low. I did everything. Complete. Turn the key off. Turn the key off. This is the first one. Power down the TCM. All this you have to do it on this car. You have to be patient. Clear the DTC following completion of the service routine. 45 seconds. This is for Ford. I did this one, so now we're gonna do the clutch drum. It will check the shifter drum motor the way it is we're supposed to do, just to be sure that everything is okay. Ignition is on. You have to do all this system. You can hear some noise sometime. Okay. Make sure the transmission gear selected is in park position. Depress the brake pedal and hold. Okay, I push the brake pedal. And then I'm gonna go for it. Perform function. Elapsed time display on paragraph. 60 seconds. Yes, you hear the transmission? Complete. I'm very happy for you. What's the next? Turn the key off. Okay. Power down. 45 seconds. This is kind of really, because of the first video, if you notice it, this is the second video, and we have to do it. This is the shift drum adaptive learning. Complete. What is left now? Clutch. That's the last one. Switch ignition on. Well, TCM adaptive learning. Make sure the transmission in gear select and the brake part, the parking brake, depress the brake pedal and دوس على الفرامل. I want to listen if there's anything. دايس على الفرامل أنس. I'm pushing the brakes. Pass. 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 Clutch position pass. Thank you. Clutch teaching learning reference pass. I hear it. Shift drum adaptive learning pass. Gear pass. Clutch travel test unit pass. Clutch travel test unit B pass. Error storage pass. Wow. Start the engine. Start engine or crank for 5 seconds if the engine does not start. Okay. 1, 2. Okay. Can you go? 1, 2, 3. Car start. Do not depress the throttle body. No. Make sure the transmission gear in park. Depress the brake, hold. Press the accelerator pedal floor. Engine reach maximum. قال لك دوس البنزين لحد ما يصل آخر درجة. Okay. دوس الفرمل. Return to idle. أرجع للidle. Okay. Concern with the system prevent the module from executing routine mark. Select green. A concern with the system is prevent the module from executing the routine. Perform the routine made all vehicle condition, ignition state, gear position. Okay. Press to continue. Turn the key on, off. Maybe there is power down. Maybe there is something there, but we're gonna try to do it again. Still say transmission fault. Let me do this one more again. I did everything pass. I want to try it one more for the clutch adaptive learning. You see here, pass, everything pass. Shift drum adaptive learning, pass. Gear command for natural state, before it pass, tell us. That one maybe fail. That's why. 60 seconds supposed to go. That's why we have problem here. Turn the key off. Yeah, maybe there is a problem with the internal. Delete all this code. Okay. Exit adaptive first. I don't know, one time it fell, the other time is good, so we are good to do. We're gonna leave it like this now. Function now complete, exit. We go to the code, and this is the code that we have it. Let me see if we can clear them. I'm gonna clear all the code and see if there is anything. Nothing, everything passed. gonna leave this one now. We drive it and see what happened. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Mohamed Harun Idris.